It's Friday once again, house hunters, and you know what that means. It's Pick 3 day where I dive into the MLS looking for hidden gems listed for sale around town, and one of these could be your new address, so you're not gonna want to miss these. I'm gonna be showing you my Pick 3 for this final Friday in July right now. All right, here we go. Jumping right in with my first pick this week is this custom-built brick stone ranch located at 5972 West Fork Road in Green Township. Now, you can drop by and check this one out for yourself at the open house on Sunday from 12 to 2. And inside, you're going to find that Brazilian hardwood floors, first floor laundry, custom-built wood cabinets and vaulted ceiling in the kitchen, primary bedroom with a walkout right out to the deck. It's got a hardtop canopy, extra storage outside, which is ideal for a motorcycle or some lawn equipment. The 20 by 18 workroom is great for projects or just use it for some extra storage. This home has a 4-zone HVAC system with foam insulation to keep your energy costs low. The lower level family room has laminate flooring and French doors that lead right out into the sitting area. This 3,000 square foot ranch is listed by Ron Minguez from the Star One Realtors Coleraine office for $585. All right, my next pick this week is sweet. This rockstar, located at 6795 Heath Court in Hamilton Township, is situated on just over 4 private acres in the Porter's Heath subdivision. Inside, you'll find an abundance of natural light that shines in on all the large rooms with plenty of storage. Huge kitchen/hearth room that is badass. Downstairs in the lower level, you can entertain your guests in the rec room. You can walk over and have a drink at the bar before walking out from the hardwood floors to your very own private backyard oasis. It is hard to believe that you'll have this much privacy, yet you're so close. Interstate 71, plenty of shopping and dining options. Bethany Heath from the Montgomery Star One Realtors office has her own home listed for sale at 973. Hard to follow that one, right? But I did save the best for last. Closing out my pick 3 this week just happens to be one of our new listings that just went live yesterday. Is this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch located at 7319 Fairground Road in Blanchester. Now, if you've ever dreamed about country living, here you go. This home offers the perfect blend of tranquility and modern living on a full acre of land. Cozy interior with rustic charm features, wood floors, and a master ensuite with loads of natural light. You can step outside to the oversized 2-car garage, or you can use it as a workshop. Relax on the deck or enjoy cookouts with friends and family. Enjoy a morning coffee on the front porch, or just take in the amazing sunsets while embracing nature and relish the peace of the outdoors. We have this country living home listed for $245, and it is eligible for 0 money down USDA financing. All right, that's going to do it for my pick 3 for this week. Which home was your favorite? Be sure you let me know down there in the comments. And if you have any questions about any of these properties or just general questions about the home buying process, be sure that you reach out to me. That should be my information that's popping up down there on the screen. You can give me a call, you can shoot me a text, you can send me an email. But before you go, make sure you subscribe, like, and follow so you never miss a pick 3. Until my next video, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you later.